Dear students, good evening. Uh, Now we will start a discussion of HTML, some basic tags. Okay. Now I am creating a file. Here, this is our workspace. In this workspace, we have to create our file, HTML file. Okay, this is the creation for the HTML files. This is creation for the folder. Okay. Now I'll give one user defined name, that is PCA1 dot extension html. Enter. File is created. Okay, now uh, from I will uh, defaultly I'll create some snippet. Okay, for that just press shift and exclamation mark and enter. You will get some code here. Okay, here the first line of the code tells that this is doc type HTML. It is tell that it is the file which is type of HTML. Okay, uh, here the next line is HTML lang is equal to English. It is HTML opening tag. This is our compiler starts compiling from here. Okay, this lang is equal to English. It will tell that our file is in the language of English. Okay, in head tag we will write some basic tags called title, and if you want to do some if you want to add some CSS, we can add here. And then these metadatas we will concentrate on some later on. Okay, uh, when any one tag will open, it the tag should be closed. Okay, for closing the tag we will use forward slash. Okay, uh, after that we have some body. Here we will write our code, the website page, everything we will write. To do that we have to install some one extension called live server. Okay, for running this project we have to install this live server. Okay, now just go. Here we have one option called go live. If I click it, our first web page will open. This is our first web page. This is empty because we have not written anything in the body. Okay, I'll start writing something in body, like H1. I'm adding one heading for our university called RV University. Okay, this is my heading, first heading. I'll save it, and then you see RV University came. This is the first heading in our web page. Okay, next I wanted to add some uh, paragraph in my page. I'll just add with the P uh, tag. This is the opening tag. Closing is also similar, but we have to add one slash uh, before the uh, tag. Okay, just take lorem. This is a set of text it will provide. Here we can able to get some text. Okay, now consider some text is there. I think this is might be important. It is eye-catching text maybe. Now I wanted to make this text some bold, italic, underline. Now there are tags were there. For bold we have B tag. Just I'll do it. Now this is the bold tag is created. Now if I want to do an italic, I'll create an italic for this. Now our web page came. Okay, um here I have added some italic, bold. Just you can see here Here I have added italic and bold. Now it's this line is very large, and I have wanted to break this line into two more other lines. We have one tag called br. If I do it, our line will be the will come in next line. Just save and then see, it will came. Just see, this is, it came to the next line br. Okay, next, mm, if I want to add some image in my web page, okay, we have one tag called img. Here we have lot of we have two attributes in image tag. One is src, another one is alt. Src is uh, source. We have to give the source of the image where it is located. Okay, here we have to give uh, alternative text. Here you can able to see this text. This attribute defines an alternative text description of an image. Okay, if in user end, if there is some network issues or anything would be there, if the image is not loaded perfectly, then this text will be shown to the user. Okay, now I'll give one image called some bca .jpg or png, any image you can give, or bca image. It is the text I am giving. Okay, now see, this image came. Now I wanted to change the size of this image. Now I'll do it with the another two attributes we have. Height, if I give height of 500, look, the image size get changes. Now I'll give some width value also of 500. Look, images width is also changed. Width is this, height is this. Okay, so this is what the image tag. Okay, now you people might have seen that in many of the web page called this, the author have given this sub points in some bulletins. How we will create these bulletins all? We have some tags in our HTML called list tag. Okay, we have two types of list basically. One is ordered list, another one is unordered list. This is ordered list, this is unordered list, this is ordered list. Okay, unordered list means it will create on there is no order of the list. That means it is list with some bulletins. Okay, in ordered list there would be some numbers, some Roman numbers and English numbers. There would be some numbers. Okay, in ordered list. For example, take, I'll go to the unordered list now. Okay, here look, author have given some ordered list in HTML. Okay, some liquids, the list of liquids. Okay, we can give the list of liquids. Okay, uh, this is the coffee is a liquid, tea is a liquid, and milk is a liquid. We have to provide in a list order. Okay, list of liquids. Okay, this is ul represent the unordered, it's unordered list. Li represent the list with the content of the list, whatever the data we have to add in the content, add it to the list. The data we will add in li tag. Okay, we have added three datas like coffee, tea, milk. Another one liquid is water. I will add water, li of wat, water. I'll close. How to close? Just forward slash li anchor bracket close. Okay, now run it. You can able to see this water came. This is unordered list. Okay, we have another one list called ordered list. Here It's okay. Anyhow, uh, the list of liquids, again there are three liquids here. What the problem is, we can't able to get the exact number of count. Okay, but here when the data is large, it may be sometimes the data may be hundreds. Sometimes we have to add in the list of that the number 1 2 3 4 5 n number of times. Okay, here you need not to do some like 0 1. You need not to write that 0 0 1 coffee, uh, 02 tea, 03 dot milk. You need not to write this. Okay, you just have to write the li tag. Your machine will give you the count. Okay, for example, take, if I give another one item, you can see here there are three items are there. If I give another one item water, it will give the 14. Just look. Okay, done. This is about the list. Now come to our web page which we have created. Okay, this image is looking some, this website is looking like awkward, it is not good. Okay, now we have to make it beautiful. For that we will create some we will give some styling for it. For giving the styling, we have a language called css. Css means cascading style sheets. Okay, for that we can add, we have to add styles to our web page. For adding, we have three types. Okay, we can three methods we can add with the three methods. Okay, methods of adding: css in html, w3 school. Okay, there are three methods of adding. Okay, just look. First method is inline css. Just see here, this is the web page. I wanted to add some styling to. I have created one heading, that h2 h2 heading I have created. Here my name is Khan. H2 close. Okay, now I wanted to add some styling to this heading. How I can do this? First thing is inline css. Now just like inline css, we will add style is equal to, this style is a keyword. Style is equal to, here we can able to add some stylings like color may be anything, blue, after the semicolon. My name is, okay, it is changed. Like this we have to add inline css. This another one method is called internal css. Internal css means, here we have one tag called head. Within that head we will write our, within this head we have to write our code of styling, whatever style we have to apply. For that we have one tag called style tag. Okay, between that style tag we have to add style. Close this style. Okay, between this tag we have to write whatever style we want. Okay, now I wanted to add styling for this h2. Assume this is not there. Okay, now I wanted to add styling for my h2 tag. Okay, now how I will do, I'll write the tag, I'll open the curly braces. This is the syntax of writing the style in internal. Okay. Oh, style style. style. Okay. Now we will write the code whatever we want. Now I wanted to add some color, add colon. Color may be anything. Blue, like red, something red, semicolon. Just run. Okay. Look, my name is Khan. Okay, okay, done. This is internal. External CSS means, yes, we will write everything in one page, but we will uh, for example, if our project is small, it is okay, we will write it in one page of styling, CSS and HTML, both we can able to write in one page. What if our project is big, like real world project if we are doing, then we have to write in another one, uh, what another one file we have to take, and then within that file we have to write. For example, I have created one CSS file. It is empty file I have created. Okay. Now I have to add this bca.css in my bca.1 file. Okay. Within this head, there is, for adding the external file in our HTML file, we have tag called link. Within this href is, you have to add this file name here, bca.css. Now add it. Now look, nothing is changed because I didn't added anything in my CSS file. Now look, I've added something in my CSS. Which one is that? H1 tag. For the H1 tag, the text is there something. I wanted to add some color called green. Okay. Now look, the color is changed. Now I wanted to make it middle. We have we have one property called text align. Text align center. If we want to add it to the center, it came to the center. We can change the size. There are a lot of things are there. Just go and explore in W3 schools. Okay. CSS properties. Just go and then type CSS properties W3 school. There are a lot of properties are there. Background color we can able to change. We can animation, this is advanced one, no need. We can change the background of the image. Okay. Background origin, background image, we can able to add image in our background using this background image. Okay, we can able to add like this. Look, in this background we have added the image. There's a lot of properties are there. You just go and then explore all these stuff. Okay, font style is there, font family is there, font size is there. If you want to change the size of the font, like there is some here it is some size is small. If you want to increase the size, you can just go and then uh, increase the size using the font size. You can adjust it, and then there are a lot of things are there. You just go and explore it. If you have any doubts, just please let me know in group. Thank you.